sure it's before me. Oh, round my poor heartache, for every hollow that I forsake, I've been trying to.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Isaac's mini bike build part 2. We got a VM22 carb going on, a juggernaut pulley, and unfortunately the gas tank I ordered is too big. I already dry fit it. It's gonna work. This is my brother, new to the channel. He's gonna help me on this one. There's my nephew Joel. We just smoked. My brother just smoked about this afternoon. And we're just going to switch out the juggernaut and see if that's going to help. I'll probably do the carburetor myself later, and I'll keep you updated as we go. Now, I've taken this bolt off for the front pulley there where I switched the juggernaut, switched it to the juggernaut, and I put it on. I've never had any issues. You know, taking my Milwaukee there, hitting click, click, click a few times, good to go. Well, not yesterday. I thought it was going to be as simple to swap out that juggernaut, and I snapped it off. And luckily I was able to get it out by drilling a hole and using the edge of a regular screwdriver, flathead. And what we're doing is we're switching to a, I don't know, better bolt, I guess. The best that they had at the hardware store. I said, I want the best, strongest one that you have. She pointed me in the direction of this. Made it work. Just wanted to let you know in case you have a problem like this. So I got the juggernaut installed and it is doing great. I got the carburetor installed, and guys, I wanted to just give a shout out to Studs Racing. You know, they're great. They sent me a billet rod, and they're just great with customer service. And another thing with these VM carburetors, this one particularly, for me anyways, I don't know if it's all of them, make sure to take the time and set your idle right off rip. I learned, I definitely did learn that. Alright, let me show you. I've got it pretty much wrapped up. I'm doing a little bit of tuning on the carb, but other than that, it's all set. I was hoping to include the gas tank in this video, but as of now, I'm not even sure what I'm going to do with the gas tank. And now this is part 2. I do have another video coming. Right there's one of the parts that came in from Studs. Thanks for watching, guys, and God bless.